Hey everyone, welcome to urtechduck. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use Calendly for sales calls and demos to streamline your scheduling process. Let's get started. First, log into your Calendly account. From your dashboard, click on Event Types and select Create Event Type. Choose one-on-one for personalized calls and demos. Now, give your event a clear name, like sales call or product demo. Make sure the name clearly reflects what the call is about to attract the right audience. Set your availability. Choose the specific dates and times that work best for you, ensuring you have enough time between calls for prep or follow-ups. Calendly will automatically show your available slots to potential clients. You can also add custom questions to gather important information from your leads before the call. This helps you prepare and personalize the call. Once you're ready, share your Calendly link with your prospects. They can choose the best time for the call, and once confirmed, both you and your prospect will have the meeting automatically added to your calendars. And that's it. You've now set up Calendly for sales calls and demos. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to urtechduck for more tech tips. See you in the next one.